बेटी जननी नारी हम, चल मचाएं कुछ हुड़दंग। देखे दुनिया पकड़ कमान, शक्ति के ये 7 रंग।
The woman of Indian Oil, embracing the power of her inner being. Within her is the potential to create, foster or transform. Fierce when reigning her terrain, compassionate when nurturing her universe. She knows it takes both sun and rain for a flower to blossom. The inspiring journey of the Indian Oil women has been phenomenal, challenging biases and misconceptions to create a more inclusive and gender-neutral world as we celebrate their achievements.
My postings in the field for LPG and retail required a lot of balancing to be done. It was wrought with lots of challenges. It was important for us to be successful in that field, to pave way for other lady officers to do well in that field.
This job at Indian Oil has instilled more self-worth and self-confidence in me.
A professional, to daughter, to wife, to mother, and to being social. I am indebted to my Indian Oil family for standing by me, guiding me, and motivating me to evolve more.
During the days of engineering only, I always wanted to join Indian Oil as a chemical engineer, and then as a marketing professional also I wanted to join Indian Oil only because I feel like it's a best company to work in.
सुन ललकार, कर मंजिल पार, कि साथ तेरे ये शान तरंग।
Building inclusive workplaces for women to thrive is the basis of a successful business organization. Hand her the right tools and witness the genesis of endless innovations.
When I joined as field system officer in Tamil Nadu State Office, during the period only land connectivity was there. So I used to travel a longer distance for providing services at any point of time, day and night. Then the evolution of IT technology happened and our corporation were giving us the opportunity to study the latest technologies.
I feel that this company is a great platform for the youngsters to come into, and it's a great organization to work with.
Be it at professional front by continually enhancing our professional knowledge through Swadhyay, or personal front by taking care of its people even after the retirement. I'm really proud to be an IOCN.
ना सीढ़ी ना कोई लाठी का दम, तेरे हौसलों से है मैदाने जंग।
Her actions create legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more. As a leader, an Indian Oil woman makes an impact with her presence that lasts an eternity.
Challenges and obstacles were introduced early in my life, but nothing that I could not handle. I was fitted with hearing aids in both my ears at a young age of 10. I never learned sign language and relied on lip reading to get a complete picture of a conversation.
Post abrogation of Article 370, all the means of communication in Srinagar, any known, mobiles, internets, landlines, they were suspended. But each and every team member from Team 7 ensured to reach depot in time, leaving behind their families and not thinking about any untoward incident that might happen. All accolades to Team 7 for they believed in my decisions and in me as an officiating location in charge, and we run the show successfully.
I was awarded the Best Retail Field Officer in 94-95. But more was the thrill when I was instrumental in putting out the Indian Oil emblem in Gosaba, the remote island in the Sundarbans.
रुकना नहीं, थकना नहीं, है ज्ञान सिखाता आजीवन।
Strong yet gentle, she is the largest untapped reservoir of talent, but amazes the world with her humility.
The success mantra I feel is that we need to be innovative and need to transform ourselves to become more agile and open to challenges. We need to take calculated risks and be prepared for failures and learn from them. Don't let it take upon you. I love the challenges, the thrill, the work the people.
What is encouraging is that we as women support one another to take the stand to overcome hurdles with extreme passion and dignity and give 100% to the work assigned to us.
And I always believe in one thing in life, that is, think good, do good and be good. Rest God takes care.
कुछ अपनों में और कुछ सपनों में महफूज है तेरी आस उमंग.
She lives a fullest life to achieve the delicate balance within, a harmony of mind, body and soul.
Managing work-life balance is an art. There is no right way to do it. You just figure things out every single day. To the woman I am today, Indian Oil plays a vital role.
Striking the balance between work and home is a real big task for any woman.
I am an young, inspired, humorous woman who always tries to do my best at work and also at the same time enjoy life.
I will explain. A life of a working woman is like walking on the ropeway with the bare feet at some height. It is very well said in the Marathi. It is like a तारेवरची कसरत.
कर ख्वाब बुलंद और चाल दबंग, तू बल खाती यूं बाज तू फंग.
Never afraid to step out of her comfort zone, she was born to play the field, born to aim higher, leap further than the perceived expectations, climbing mountains, moving faiths. Let the echoes of gentle cheer follow her spirit as she makes it to the top.
Me as a young player, I played Commonwealth Games and Asian Games, so Indian Oil was there for me every time.
For the first 20 years of my life, I was totally within my comfort zone. I have never moved out of my hometown also. But as we all know, smooth roads never make us a good driver. So that is when IOCL actually happened to me.
रख कदम रिजा में, रहम फिजा में, बरसाती तू मेहर मलंग.
With her gentle, soulful spirit, the Indian Oil woman has the potential to restore balance and wholeness within entire communities. Her elegance sparkles like diamonds that shine bright even in the darkest nights.
It gives me immense pride that I'm a flag bearer of LPG, a clean energy, and I'm able to connect with the life of lots and lots of women by allowing them to access the clean fuel, that's LPG, and the positive change that I have also been able to bring about in their lives.
Adding value to society, family and everything we touch is what defines the purpose of our existence.
कहीं कला के छंद, कहीं व्यंग प्रसंग, बड़े धूम से संवरे तेरे सब ढंग.
She was created to create, shattering the glass ceilings when she finds her voice. Her expression of thoughts, emotions, ideas and aspirations.
I love singing and I feel honored to receive the winner award from our Honorable Governor in Inter PSU Hindi Antakshari competition.
The Indian Oil women who rise as innovators and leaders, as learners and teachers for life, as nurturers of their own destiny and those around them, or the winners whose aims and dreams never waver. The gentle warriors that pierce through the shadows of the night, or the designers of their destiny, carving their creative signs. Indian Oil, as an equal opportunity employer, believes in the power of its women. It has been empowering the women IOCians and enabling them with the right platforms to grow, excel and cherish their dreams. As we celebrate their achievements and contribution to our lives, let's stand up, raise our hand and take the lead. Let's come together, choose to challenge the bias and inequality and pledge to create a beautiful and inclusive world.
बेटी जननी नारी हम, चल चल मचाएं कुछ हुड़दंग. देखे दुनिया पकड़ कमान, तू शक्ति के ये 7 रंग.